How to cancel RedZone on YouTube TV. You begin by heading to tv.youtube.com on your browser and logging in using your Google account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and go to Settings. Then navigate to the Membership section where all your active add-ons are listed. Scroll through until you find NFL RedZone under the Sports Plus add-on. Next to your next billing date, there will be a Manage option. Click that and you'll see a Cancel button appear. Click Cancel, and when prompted, confirm your choice by clicking Yes, Cancel. Shortly after, YouTube TV will send you a confirmation email acknowledging the cancellation. The great part is that your access to NFL RedZone continues through the end of your current billing cycle, so you get every minute you paid for. The cancellation is processed automatically. No further action is required on your part. This is the simplest upfront way to legally cancel the RedZone add-on on YouTube TV. That's it. Thanks for watching.